Alright, Frank, got your 124 scale Crown Vic finished up. As you can see, I left the push bumper unattached. I don't know if you want to put that on when you get it or not. I just left it off in case you wanted to remove it when you got it. But anyway, there's holes there. It can snap right in place. If you have white vinyl, you can just cover those holes up, or if you get with me, I can let me know. I can cover those up with white vinyl or filament or somehow if you want. Anyway, just plain white Crown Vic that you asked for, a slick top. This one, I don't want to say you gave me free reign. You just had to do a basic build on it. But again, with the weight and everything, I thought, you know what, I'll dress this one up for you really well. So you have flashing headlights on this one, blue grille strobes. He did say you wanted all blue lights. I put blue corner strobes in the headlights as well on the sides here. You have MDT with my decals and stuff on it, along with interior work light. 6 LEDs across the front. Again, using my triple strobe setup on my circuit board, but it's every other LED. So you got 3 LEDs here that are strobe, then they just switch over one side back and forth. You'll see that looks really cool once it's illuminated. 2 blue strobes in the rear on the package tray, again with triple strobe flashes, and then I need to fix that license plate, or you might want a Colorado plate on there. Also flashing taillights on this. Went ahead and installed one of the sirens too. Thought you might want that on there. Again, just found to finish this up this morning about 5 o'clock, so just now doing the video now that I got home from work today. So anyway, it'll be ready to go. 2 switches on here, main power. Here's your siren button. Go ahead and turn this on. Again, you can see your grille strobes. Again, those are triple strobe wig-wag pattern. Flashing headlights. You can see they're going to look white probably. You can see a little bit of a blue tint, but in person you can definitely tell that they're white. Or I'm sorry, definitely tell that they're blue in the corners. Of course, one on each side. They turned out pretty cool. Actually, when the headlight's off, it'll illuminate almost the entire lens in blue when it flashes. You can see your LEDs on the front. Again, their sides are spaced every other LED, so they fire that way. Again, triple strobes on those. Interior work light, decals, whatnot on the MDT in there with a work light. Rear deck, get that out of the reflection, there we go. Triple strobes on those as well. Of course, again, as I always say, it looks like single flash, but they're not. And then red flashing taillights on this. Siren, same siren that's in most of my builds, if I don't do a sound card anyway for it. Standard tones. Oh, and of course I just turned it off. Let's try that again. Already heard that one. So you have all of those. The hood does open on this. I don't know why. When I put everything back together, for some reason or other, this front piece shifted on me. On the newer models now, that's all one piece on the MotorMax models. On these older ones, it's a separate plastic piece, and again, this hood will pop up. So it does open. If you leave it like that, it's fine, but once you shut it all the way, you'll hear it snap. So it's a little difficult to open sometimes, but I don't know if you're going to be opening it or not. But anyway, it does open and close. There you have it. Like I said, I appreciate the order, and like I said, I'll get these plates knocked back down for you. I'll throw some antennas in the bag as well with this one, or for this one, and then the longer ones for the Challenger that I'm mailing you, in case you want to put some antennas on that one. But anyway, I'll get you some antennas to put on there. So Frank, I appreciate it, sir, and like I said, we'll get this mailed out to you here in the next day or two. Thank you very much.